Hi, my name is Parul. I came from Australia. I came for holidays. I didn't know about this issue earlier, but when I came to India, I have hip issues. I have a pain in my hips. So I went to many doctors, and everyone suggested me that I have to go through hip replacement surgery. And when I came to Udaipur, many people I heard about Saurabh Goyal, and when I went to meet him, he explained me the procedures very well, and then he suggested me the surgery on 17th, and I said that I have a baby, 4 month. She's just 4 month old, so she provided all the accommodations and other things for her as well. And when I came here, he provided us room, and all the nursing staff knows about the baby as well, so they took proper care of me and my baby. And during surgery as well, they gave me proper comfort, and and they knew that my baby is waiting for me in the room, so they told all the staffs that they have to took proper care of me, and so that I'll be better soon. I'm really thankful to Dr. Saurabh Goyal, Dr. Fenil Doshi, and all other nursing staff for for proper taking care of me and my family. Thank you so much. And also I want to thank Epic Hospital for this.